In this video, we are going to learn how to solve a system of equations using Desmos. Here are the two equations that we got in the last video from our example. Next, we'll enter them into Desmos. We'll begin by opening up a browser tab with desmos.com and going to the graphing tool. Next, write both equations exactly like they appeared on the paper. At the moment, we can only see one of these two equations, or one of the two lines corresponding to our equations. So let's zoom out so that we can see both. In order to solve both equations, we have to see where the two lines intersect. There's already a gray point marking the intersection, so hover over the intersection and we can see the solution. The ordered pair, 6.557, 19.672, tells us that the solution is x equals 6.557 and y equals 19.672. So that means we need about 6.56 tons of coarse gravel and 19.72 tons of fine gravel.